Hi everyone, my name is Rob Gibbons. I'm a Senior Program Manager for Xamarin University. Xamarin is a part of Microsoft Learn that Duncan was just talking about if you're here for his presentation. And over here we have Mark Smith. He's the Principal Program Manager, also for Xamarin University. And we're going to talk about how to connect your mobile applications to the cloud, specifically Azure. You might have heard a few things about Azure this week. First of all, how many people have a smartphone here? Right, everybody, right? We all do. And more importantly, our customers do as well. So it's important as developers that we provide solutions to our customers, and that's what Xamarin and Azure can do for you. For those of you who don't know, Xamarin is Microsoft's cross-platform mobile development tool. It's included right in Visual Studio. It allows you to create C# and run it natively on iOS and Android and UWP and create beautiful, engaging mobile applications for your customers. So let's go to the next slide here. And what's important to realize is all the features and the benefits that Azure can light up in these applications. There's so many things that we want to do to provide these solutions. So if you hit the next button there, you can see here, these are just some of the ones that I picked out. We have things like Azure mobile apps. Mark and I are going to be showing that to you in just a minute. SQL Server. We all have shared data that all of our customers are going to need to be able to read from and edit. You can do that in SQL Server. You can do that in Cosmos DB. You might want streaming services with videos and audio. Azure has media services. Every mobile app is probably going to need push notifications. We have a very robust push notification infrastructure that you can lean on. Machine learning can be the future of our apps. We can figure things out by looking at them. If you have workers on a factory floor, maybe they're going to use cognitive services and they're going to use the image recognition to figure out what part they're looking at. Or maybe they have their hands on the machine and they need speech to text and text to speech. Azure provides those services as well. You can use bots in your mobile application where you can have a natural language interface to your application. Azure DevOps, of course, we're going to need to provide continuous integration, continuous development, continuous deployment for our applications. Azure has a solution for that. You can have SignalR, IoT Hub, and then identity. Identity is very important. Identity is very hard to get right. Azure has all that built in. You can use Azure Active Directory. You can use OAuth. You can connect to Google and Facebook and GitHub and Microsoft accounts, all from your mobile application. So we're going to do a very quick demo. We only have a few minutes here, so I can't get into everything that is possible. We have lots of learning resources out on Microsoft Learn and other places on the Microsoft Docs site. But Mark, we go to here. So we're going to start out and go to the Azure portal. That's going to be our starting place here. Now, I already created some of these services because they take a little while to spin up, so I didn't want to do that during our 20 minutes. But we're going to start with one. So let's go ahead and click Create a Resource there, Mark.
And it's important to note that even though we're going to use Xamarin as our sample here, because that's where we're from, Xamarin University, Azure actually exposes these services to any mobile app. So it doesn't really matter what language or framework that you decide to use. Azure has SDKs and bindings to be able to get to all of these services.
And it also just exposes most of them as just RESTful services. So
that's exactly
even if there's not an SDK, just make a web call and you can access these. All right, so let's search for mobile here. And it's going to give us a few different choices. So up in the search, the marketplace there, Mark, let's type in mobile. And give it a second to search. So we have a couple templates there. There's mobile app's quick start. I'm going to start with the quick start because it does a lot of the stuff for us. So go ahead and click that. And you can see some of the benefits here of using the quick start and all the things that Azure can do for you. It's a lot of what I just talked about. So let's go ahead and click Create. This will go out and it will provision the backend services. It will create a starter template and you get to choose. We're going to see here this in just a minute. Let's call this Ignite Theater Demo. We'll just pick a name for this. And then my subscription is going to be the Visual Studio subscription. Yep, that one right there. And I have an existing resource group that I already created, so we don't have to wait for that. And that's just going to be called Ignite. If we look at the Ignite 2018, and let's go ahead and create that. So a nice walkthrough, easy wizard to get everything set up for you. Again, this is going to take a little bit to do for the deployment. So if we go ahead and click on the Ignite 2000 demo app that I've already created there, we can see what's going to get provisioned for us. And if we go down to the deployment section here, there's a quick start section. Let's click that. And now, as Mark said, you get to choose what your client technology is going to be. So here it's going to give us starter templates for Xamarin, for Windows 8.1, for UWP, for Objective-C, Swift, and Java, and be able to download those quick start templates and give you a starting place. And it's going to provide not only the client, but also the backend server. So on the backend server, you're going to need some APIs to connect to. And the templates are going to give you a choice of either Node.js or ASP.NET Web API. Being a .NET developer, I chose Web API. All right, so the portal's not going to really agree with us here, but that's okay because I already downloaded these starter templates. So if we start with the first Visual Studio there, we can look at the web template that got downloaded for us. And how many people have done ASP.NET Web API before? All right, so this is going to look very familiar for those of you who have done it because it is just ASP.NET Web API. And it's going to wire up Entity Framework for you. So we have a table controller. This is just a to-do application. It's just a sample. You would grow this and you would be able to integrate this into your own domain and your own business. So it's going to give you all that kind of stuff. And we have some web APIs. We're going to get all the to-do items. We're going to get a single to-do item. We'll be able to delete them and update them. And you can look through this, and it's going to give you an idea of how you can create your solution. All right, and then the next solution that we downloaded, this is the actual client application. And again, we chose Xamarin, but you could choose a different one. Here, this is Xamarin Forms. This allows you to create your user interface once and run it natively on all of those platforms I mentioned before. So it's XAML. XAML is going to be very familiar to anybody who's done UWP or WPF or Silverlight. So here we're just creating this to-do application. But the nice thing about this is XAML, and in the back end, it's just C#. If you don't know Objective-C, you don't know Swift, you can still create a native application using C#. And if we look at the to-do item manager here, it gives you a little example. One of the great things about the Azure SDK is it enables what we see here, offline sync. I've got that turned off right now, but simply adding that compiler directive means you're going to get data syncing, offline support, conflict resolution, all built in, all as part of the template. And when we're talking about mobile applications, that's very, very important because, as we all know, the network is not reliable. The network's going to go down all the time. It's going to be very flaky. You need to program for that. And that's something, if you're coming from a server or a desktop environment, you might not have had to think about very much. Well, the SDK is going to take care of that for you. All right, so again, this is just a little bit of C#. If we look at the constants file, there, Mark, the constants.cs, notice it actually even, the template includes the URL of the Azure resource that I just created. So this isn't just a blank template that's the same for everybody. It actually puts in the correct information. We can run this right out of the box. And in fact, I already have it running. So here we can see, here's a UWP application. And then, Mark, you show next to it the Android as well. This is the same application running on 2 different platforms. If I had a Mac around, we could also run this on iOS. So let's add a to-do item here. Let's say learn Azure. And then we're going to click that plus button. And then on the Android, just do a pull to refresh. And there we go. So we now have, in just a few minutes, an application that's connected to Azure. It's got offline capability. It's got syncing across multiple devices, multiple platforms. And then from here, we can start using that SDK to light up all those other services. If you want machine learning, you can tap into things like Core ML on the iPhone and connect it to Azure. If we want ARKit, you could do that. If we wanted to use cognitive services, we could use the Azure SDK to light that up as well. So we only had a few minutes here, but if we go down back to the slide, Mark, we actually have, yes? Great question. So the question is there any limitation to the native capabilities on any of the platforms, specifically when we're using Xamarin? No. So anything you can do in Objective-C or Swift on iOS, you can do in C#. Anything you can do in Java or Kotlin on Android, you can do in C#. Basically, we use the exact same SDKs that Objective-C or Java developers would use. Exact same APIs. So we've put together a little bit more robust sample here. It's called My Circle. And we don't have time to go through the entire thing, but you can get this code. And this code is going to include things like speech-to-text engine and text-to-speech connected back to the Azure backend. You can speak to this, and basically you can chat with other people using your voice, and it's going to translate it to actual text and then send it up to the Azure services. So you can find this here at aka.ms/XAMUignite, and you can download that source material. But I highly suggest everybody go to the Azure portal. Most of you probably have Visual Studio subscriptions. You have access to Azure. There is so much there. But again, remember to talk to your customers. Talk to your clients, your users. What are they looking for? Most of the time, they're probably going to want a mobile application. They're going to want to be able to do their job while in a factory or on the road, wherever they happen to be. And this is going to give you the power to do that. So there's a lot to go through, but I'm happy to answer questions now. It's a real quick overview. Yes? Yes, so App Center, Visual Studio App Center is targeted directly at mobile applications. So it is our continuous integration, continuous deployment solution. There's also Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps gives you a lot more power right now, and you can customize it, and it'll do web applications and mobile and things like that. App Center is a very nice, very easy way to get started building your mobile applications. I highly suggest it if you're doing mobile apps. And it's not just Xamarin. It will build Objective-C and Java applications too, and it'll deploy them to the stores, to TestFlight, to Google Play, all that kind of stuff. Really gets it really easy to manage the entire lifecycle of your mobile applications. Okay. Any other questions? Yes? Sorry, what was that? So is it .NET Core? The web template that comes down is still just .NET Framework 4.7, still the older ASP.NET. It's not Core yet. At some point, they might update that. But if you look at it, you should be able to take it all. The last time I checked, the actual Azure SDK wasn't .NET Standard 2.0 yet. It was a couple months ago that I looked at it. So you want to make sure that that's .NET Standard. But as soon as it is, then you should be able to just do .NET Core. So what's the pricing difference? It's just doing that for you. So it's the same services. You can scale it exactly how you want. Once you go through the wizard, all the pieces are there. You can individually tweak whatever you want. So no pricing difference than if you just did it manually. This is just an easy way to get it all set up to begin with. And then back to your question about .NET Core is, remember, even if the SDK doesn't necessarily support some of these services yet, with .NET Standard 2, you can access everything just through RESTful APIs. So you could use HTTP client, and you could just connect there and connect to, from your mobile app, connect to the web APIs anyway. So that should work.
But it has support for most popular platforms.
Yes.
So you actually have full SDK support to be able to do, all of that work for you. And
right.
And it'll just do HTTP requests under the covers.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Some popular applications implemented with Xamarin. I don't have a list. We have a list, or at least we used to have.
Well, if you've ever been to like a lot of popular restaurants, a lot of the apps written for a lot of those restaurants are all written in Xamarin.
So yeah, if you're ordering from restaurants, a lot of those. We used to have a list on our site, but our site's not there anymore, of all the customers. We're integrated now into Microsoft.com. So I don't know any off the top of my head. I know there are thousands and thousands of Xamarin applications.
It's very popular for enterprise in particular.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of corporate applications that people have used to build their enterprise apps.
But I know at one point it was like 10 out of the top 100 grossing applications on the App Store were Xamarin apps. a couple years ago. So any financial applications? I would guarantee there are financial applications. Again, I don't have a list off the top of my head, but that would be a natural kind of fit there. It really depends on the development team. So if the company has a development team of .NET developers, Xamarin's a natural choice. If they have an existing team of Objective-C and Java developers, that's a natural choice. And either one of those is fine. So, use whatever makes sense for your company and connect up to Azure and take advantage of that. We have SDKs for all those platforms.
Awesome.
Any other questions? All right, so we are around for the rest of the week at the booth across the hall at the expo, at the Visual Studio Tools for Xamarin. If anybody has any other questions, we could talk about this for hours, so come on over and we'd be glad to talk about it. So thanks everyone, really appreciate all your time.